new apron on it says Hillview Wesleyan Church 100th anniversary. Okay, over here in the recipe. Today, one of my followers and friends on Facebook asked me to make this, so I'm going to, it's banana bread. And I'm going to, it calls for 1 cup of sugar, but I'm going to substitute it with honey because I'm a pre-diabetic and I love banana bread. But I'm going to go right by the recipe. Okay, I already preheated my oven to 350 and I greased my low pans. Now I want to mix sugar and margarine in a bowl. So it calls for 1 cup of sugar. So I'm going to put 1 cup of honey in it. See if I take this on the pork crust. Oh, you know what I'll do? I'll just put a little bit of water with it. Because you don't want to waste anything, because the price of everything and that. Okay, I'll throw that out. Put that in. Oh, now you gotta wait for it to drain. I'll use a spoon. Oh hell, I'll use a fork. Okay, put that in the sink. Now the butter, it calls for a 1/3 cup of butter. Softened. But see, I forgot to take out of the refrigerator, so it's a little bit cold, but it'll be alright. Okay, get in here and clean it. Spoon. Now a 1/3 cup. So I look down here. The 1/3 cup right there. Oh, it is soft. And it would be. I'm gonna put another spoonful and I'll see if that's 1/3 cup. Yep, that's the 1/3 cup. So now I know 2 tablespoons equals a 1/3 cup. I hope this turned out because of it, me using honey. I'll use this. I want me to mix it out. I might have to add a little more honey, I'm not sure. And then they want me to stir in 2 eggs until beaten. I'm not using on the videos yet. Until, I'm just using my spatula. Now, it's like, use the rest of the ingredients. Okay, it calls for, I'm going to put them in last. A third cup of water. Oh, too much. Too much. There we go. Okay. 1 and 2/3 cup of flour. And they said do not make it self-rising flour. And make sure I have it right. Okay, 2 and 1 2/3. Or 1 and 2/3. I keep seeing things backwards. It's 1, not 2. I'm going to turn it off like that. Okay, there's 1. I gotta see what 2/3 is. Okay. Oh, I hate it when they do that. Alright, wow. I'm making 2 loaves today. Oh, that was too much. There we go. And I want to set this. I want to set it on the stove. Because the stove's hot now. Okay, now I got the eggs. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, now. Oh, because I have to open it from the top. A good cook would have had it done already. But, oh well. Oh, them bananas smell good. Me, I love bananas. Okay, now. There it is. 1 of these. Gotta secure that. Put this up here out of the way. Now, this is the baking powder. There's the bacon. Whoop! Get out of there. Okay. Now it calls for salt, but I don't usually cook with salt. And then chopped nuts, and I can't eat nuts. So put that down there. Put the butter over there. Put that over there for now. Oh! Forgot the most important thing. The bananas. Can't forget them. Put that in there. Now, I gotta use beat it, and it says only 30 seconds, but I'm going to beat it until, because I couldn't beat it with, not too good. Now the one I can't pop hands. Oh, doesn't that look good? Get over that. You don't want this leave any because it's so good. Oh, don't that sound good? And if you guys want me to try something, and you want me to make a video, make it for you, let me know, and you give me the ingredients, and I'll try to make it. Okay. There's what it looks like before. I'm going to put that over on the stove knife, because we want to do both at the same time. And here it says, I will come back with my phone because I don't know how to stop that and start it, but I'm going to try. In 60 minutes. And you can see the done bread. Okay, I'm going to try to pause this and then